Hello everyone, and welcome back to EngGlowUp, the channel where we turn everyday moments into English learning. I'm Flora.
And I'm Michael. It's so good to have you here today. How are you feeling, Flora?
I'm feeling great. And you?
Honestly, I'm hungry.
Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. A big plate of pasta, maybe grilled chicken, and definitely dessert.
Now you're making me hungry too.
Good, because today's episode is all about restaurants.
That's right. Today, we're talking about how to speak English at a restaurant, from the moment you walk in until you leave.
Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to EngGlowUp so you don't miss our weekly English conversations.
And give this episode a like if you enjoy learning English in real-life situations.
Okay, let's imagine this. You arrive at a restaurant. You open the door. What happens first?
Usually, someone greets you. That person is called the host or hostess.
Or sometimes a waiter.
Yes, and the first thing you say is simple. Hello.
Or good evening.
Exactly. Polite and simple.
Then what?
Then you ask for a table. For example, a table for two, please.
That's very clear. A table for plus number of people.
Yes, a table for one, a table for three, a table for four.
What if you don't have a reservation?
Good question. You can say, do you have a table available?
Available means free.
Exactly.
What if the restaurant is busy?
The host might say, there will be a 15-minute wait.
Then you can respond, that's fine. Or, okay, we'll wait.
Very natural.
Now the host says, follow me, please.
You follow them to your table.
You sit down. What's the first thing you need?
The menu.
If they don't give you one, what do you say?
Can I have the menu, please?
Perfect. Polite and easy.
Now, let's look at the menu. Usually, it has sections.
Starters,
Main courses.
desserts.
Drinks.
Starters are small dishes at the beginning.
Main course is the big dish.
Dessert is sweet food at the end.
Simple and clear.
The waiter comes to the table and asks, are you ready to order?
If you are ready, you say, yes, we are.
If you need more time,
Just a minute, please. Or, we need a few more minutes.
now it's time to order. What is the most polite way?
I would like.
Or, I'll have.
Let's practice.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the grilled chicken, please.
And for your drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect.
Here comes the best part. The waiter brings the food.
Yes, and they place the plates on the table and say, enjoy your meal.
And what do we say?
Thank you.
Simple. Always polite.
Now you take your first bite.
And hopefully, it's delicious.
If you like it, you can say, this is delicious.
Or, it tastes amazing.
Or, this is really good.
Very natural.
If you're eating with someone, you can ask, how's your food?
And they can reply, it's great. It's really good. I love it. After a few minutes, the waiter usually comes back.
Yes, and asks, is everything okay?
If everything is good, you say, yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Or, yes, it's perfect.
Now, what if something is wrong?
Let's say your food is cold.
That happens sometimes.
You don't shout. You stay calm.
Very important.
You say, excuse me.
Then explain politely.
For example, I'm sorry, but this is a little cold.
Or, I think there may be a mistake.
Good phrase.
You can also say, I ordered chicken, but this is fish.
Clear and respectful.
Sometimes people comment on the restaurant itself.
Yes, you can say, this place is nice.
Or, I love the atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling of the place.
You can also say, it's cozy. It's elegant. It's very busy tonight.
Now you finish your main dish.
You feel full
But maybe not too full.
because dessert is coming.
Of course.
All right, we finished our main course. I'm full, but I still want dessert.
There is always space for dessert.
Always.
The waiter might come and say, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And you can answer, "Yes, please."
Or if you're too full, "No, thank you."
You look at the menu. You see chocolate cake,
Or cheesecake.
or ice cream.
And when the waiter returns, you say, "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
Or, "I'll have the cheesecake."
Very simple.
After dessert, many people order coffee.
Yes, you can say, "Can I get a coffee, please?"
Or, "I'll have a cup of tea."
If you want it specific, "I'd like a black coffee." "Can I have a latte?" "Green tea, please."
Now the meal is finished.
Your plates are empty.
You're happy.
Now comes the money part.
To get the bill, you say, "Excuse me,"
Then, "Can we have the bill, please?"
or "The check, please."
Both are correct.
Bill is more common in the UK. Check is more common in the US.
What if you are with friends?
You might want to split the bill.
You can say, "Can we split the bill?"
Or, "Can we pay separately?"
Very useful in group dinners.
If one person wants to pay for everyone, they can say, "It's on me."
That means they will pay.
The waiter brings the bill.
You look at the total amount.
Then you pay.
If you are using a card, you simply give it.
If you're not sure, ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
If paying cash, you can say, "Here you are."
That phrase works perfectly when giving money.
Now let's do a mini role play.
Good evening. How many?
A table for two, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the grilled salmon, please.
Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, I would like the chocolate cake.
Certainly.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
This is EngGlowUp, the channel where we turn everyday moments into English learning.
If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next real-life English conversation.
And here's today's question for you. If you walked into a restaurant tonight, what would you order?
Write your full sentence in the comments.
Practice it.
Own it.
Glow up your English.
See you in the next episode.